Hi everybody. For our first Tech Tip Tuesday, I want to ensure that you know how to enter grades into Renweb. So what I have done is I have logged into Renweb and I'm at the home page. On the home page, I'm going to come over to the top left and click on those three bars, and then I will click on the word classroom. What that should do is bring up this next screen. I do have to click on the word term. I have to click on my classes. Everyone doesn't have to do that. And then you will see here the listing of all of your classes that you are teaching. You will pick the class that you want to teach, that you want to enter grades for. When you click on it, it pulls this up. Right now it's in the attendance section. But if I come over here on the right, I'll click on Gradebook, and then all the assignments that have been put in Renweb will be listed here. As you can see, there are no assignments right now. So I'm going to come up here to the plus sign, plus assignment. I'm going to add an assignment, which you have to do before you can enter grades. You have to add the assignment first. Okay, this screen pops up. I'm going to click on the categories. Let's say this is a daily grade, and then you come over here to title, and you're going to give it a title. I might call this STEM Lab Log number 1. And then there's a big box here where you can give it a description. And sometimes the title just doesn't help tell what the item is, especially if you're saying like test number 6. You can give it more of a description so that the students and the parents know exactly what that means. So here I can describe it by saying launch log entry on drawing maps. Okay? And then I'm going to scroll down and give it the date assigned. I can say that it was assigned on the 19th. Now you can type that in yourself, or you can pull up, like I just did, that down arrow, which pulls up a calendar, and then you can just click on the date. All right, if the due date is the 22nd of August, I can see that the maximum amount of points for this grade is 100. It's only being weighted as 1 grade, not 2. I don't really bother here with the times, okay? Then, lastly, you're going to decide, am I going to save this box and then just close it out, and I'll come back and enter grades later? Or am I going to save this box and enter grades right now? Or am I going to save this box, it'll close it, and then a new one will come up for me to enter a new assignment? I'm just going to save it and enter grades right now. Okay, so then this pulls up the listing of students, and in this box is where you're going to type in their grades. So if I said Quinn gets a 100, Stacy gets a 95, and then you can see down here, it gives me the class average for this assignment, which is really helpful for us as teachers to see what the average grade for that assignment was. Once I'm finished, I'm just going to click the X here, and then you will notice that it pulls it up in the grade book. Once you have more assignments in, you will continue to see across the screen here all the different assignments. You can choose to just see the daily assignments like this is. You can choose to see all the major assignments. You can see that I have no major assignments yet, or you can choose to see all of the minor assignments. The default is just seeing all assignments across there, but you can go through and say, show a student, well, this is what your test grades are, your test average. But that's it. It's not too difficult to enter grades. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and ask your team lead or ask me questions about it. Thanks so much.